Hey, what's up guys? Angelito here from OvercomeTechnicalities.com. In this video, you're gonna learn about setting up your cPanel for your Godaddy web hosting account. This video is actually a continuation on how to buy a web hosting package in Godaddy. If you want to see that video, or if you're planning to buy a web hosting package in Godaddy, please refer to the link in the description below for part 1. If you're new here, consider clicking on the subscribe button. If you don't want to miss a thing, click on the notification bell so you will get notified when we release a video. Let's get it started. So this is where we left off on the previous video when we bought a web hosting package from Godaddy. Again, if you want to see that video, please see the link in the description below for part 1. Now, inside the web hosting section, you can set up your cPanel account by clicking on the setup button on the right. This will take you to the My Hosting page to begin the setup. Let's scroll down a bit. On the Select the Domain from your account dropdown, make sure that you select the right domain you want to set up cPanel with. In this case, we only have one domain for this account, so it's selected by default. Simply click on the Next button to go to the next step. Now, Godaddy recommends to choose a data center that's close to the customers you want to serve, and it seemed we have no issues on the data center location that's being recommended to us by default here, so we'll simply scroll down a bit then click on Next. At this point, we have an option to set up WordPress for our site, but simply click on the circle next to Not Now, Thanks. Click on the Finish button to begin the process of setting up your cPanel, which should only take a few moments to complete. Alright, so we're done with the setup. Click on the Go to Dashboard button. And that's all there is to it. Welcome to your cPanel account dashboard. Now that you have your cPanel account properly set up, managing your web hosting account will be more convenient and easy. Anyways, if you have enjoyed this video and found any value in it, consider giving it a thumbs up. Remember to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to be notified when there's more video tutorials like this coming your way. If you have anything to add to the discussion, there's a comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Hope this has been informative for you and I'd like to thank you for viewing.